going to. Punta na po kami.
I'm excited.
You're excited? Yes. Nakabihis na po kami. Hindi ako nakapag-video kasi
Okay, in 2 minutes, we're going to start our recognition.
Hey, may break.
Recognition Day is the culmination of all the hard work and a year of study. It is the day when the student can say, I've done. It is a milestone in their lives. It is also a day when they gather and celebrate success. It is the most important date in the academic calendar as it is the time when faculty and staff can gather with the students to celebrate their academic achievements. Remember that each recognition day is not the end, but new beginning to a new horizon of their career. Students, parents, teachers, school administrators, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Recognition Day 2024 with the theme Rise and Shine, Embracing Resilience, Igniting Success. To formally start our program, may I request everyone to please stand for the doxology to be led by the selected high school students. May I request everyone to stand up. A moment of silence, and let's feel the presence of our Lord Jesus Christ. In singing the nationalistic song, Pilipinas Kong Mahal.
Pilipinas kong mahal, ang puso ko at buhay man. Sa aking pagbibigay, lumutuloy ko nagkampanan, na lagi kang paglingkuran. Ang kaya mo'y kabantayan, Pilipinas kong mahal.
Thank you very much. You may now be seated, and thank you.
Welcome you all to this Recognition Day 2024. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Maverick A. Gahir, most energetic, most cooperative, well-groomed, most thoughtful, most courteous. Arjon R. Elistrisimo, most energetic, most kind, most cheerful, and most friendly. Gabriel Isaiah Jacinto, kind and most cheerful. The academic achievers with honors. For the school year 2023, Maverick, A. Gahit, Arjo, Simo, Gamel, Isaiah, Jacinto, AJ, G. Kuminal, Amara, Nicole, L. Laan, Amber, Ayesha, Tim, Mananga, Emmanuel, Viniers, O. Maige.
Ayan, pauwi na po kami. Congratulations, Maverick. Say bye. Nagugutom na po siya. Kaya nandito kami sa Manginasal. Kumain po kami. Kasama ko po ang aking food. Ayan. Celebrate na lang din po.
Celebrating my mommy's birthday and I'm celebrating my mommy's birthday and my invitation.
Your recognition because you got an
Award. I had 5.
I have 5 and
One big gold medal.
wow.